your base coat really good. You got a great touch. Yeah, keep going, keep going.
No more water.
I think so. Getting ready for the first drips of the day. Very important. Drum roll. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And here she goes. Leela's getting ready. Rounding the corner, turning it vertically, and making it go boom, boom, boom. Hit it hard.
Oh, hit it hard?
Push it. Push that thing. Oh, goody. Keep going. Make the other one go. Yes. Doing
About that much?
Yeah. But yeah. Okay, go all the way to the bottom by the drip. There you go. The little angel wing. Yeah. Yeah. So where's your next shadow gonna go, I wonder?
Well, this one is pretty much all shadowed.
Which one?
The hand?
Uh-huh. So just do the bottom part like we did before. Mostly left side, correct? That would require, a hard line would require very little water. Only it doesn't need to be quite so wide. Getting more into our purple shadows here. You like what you're seeing?
Yeah. Am I kind of leaving that open or just...
Yeah, I would. Yeah, just leave it open. That's that artist license thing we were talking about. Getting ready for the purple drips.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay, so hard, right?
Yeah, go Leela. Go. There you go. Oh, isn't that pretty?
It is pretty. Those colors are gorgeous.
Yes, indeed. Doing our shrubbery. Yes, indeed. Nice. Do you want some green drips? Okay.
So lots of water, lots of...
Yep.
Couple green drips.
Yeah, wherever you think. Maybe 3. Oh, the green drips. Wow, that's powerful. Look at the color.
So pretty.
Nice.
Thank you, Mother Earth.
Squiggling away for our shrubbery. Nice. Smaller lines. Squiggles. There you go. All right. Now, right side. Yes. Like almost evenly between the 2 fingers. Yep. So go to some more crevices on your right.
Up here.
Yep, and go down the left sides. There you go. You got your V's going. Perfect. Nice. Yeah, we'll make it whatever you feel because you're the artist. Nice. I like it. Dip into your shadows. The shrubbery is right in front of, so you wouldn't see the striations over the shrubbery. Yeah. Nice. You got it. Keep going across the hand of God then.
Yeah, I don't see much there. It's really dark.
Just invent it. See, it's there. she goes. Good one, Leela.
Just look here. Okay.
And up into the rocks. The purple globs and splats have begun. Yes, indeed. There they go.